How much money can you earn as a travel content creator after just 1 month? Today, I'll be doing a deep dive into my journey, my performance so far, and how much money I've actually earned. Let's start with the 5 main ways you can earn money on YouTube. The first being affiliate marketing. Second, being platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Third, promoting your own digital or physical products. Fourth, YouTube partnerships, which can include memberships, supers, share products, as well as AdSense. And fifth, brand deals. The first two are relevant for my channel, so let's jump right into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. You can literally do it day one. Many companies and websites have this, but I personally use Amazon Associates, which is Amazon's affiliate program. Commissions are pretty low, around 4%, but Amazon has almost every product you can think of, which makes it very convenient. Here's the cool part. If someone clicks your affiliate link and buys anything during that visit, not just the product that you linked, you can still earn a commission. All you do is sign up, grab your unique links, drop them in your video description with a disclaimer that they are affiliate links, and you are good to go. Now, there's platforms also such as Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. With these, you're looking for either patrons or for tips. On the left, you have Patreon. This platform is designed around the idea of a subscription service where creators can build long-term predictable income by offering monthly membership tiers. Think of it like a digital fan club. Fans pay a recurring fee, and in return, they get access to things like exclusive posts, early releases. It's really built for consistency. The alternative being Buy Me a Coffee, more for one-offs or donations or tips from viewers, where viewers can send the content creator money directly, normally a couple dollars. Buy Me a Coffee is really built differently than Patreon. It's more built for that flexibility and ease of just one-time donations or repeat donations. I personally use Buy Me a Coffee because I like the flexibility and I like coffee. It was really easy to set up, and you will also get your own link, so you can post it in your descriptions or in your channel bio. Number 3, promote your own products or digital products. Now, I think this is really smart to do, especially if you are a business owner. See, advertising on places like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram are really essential. YouTube is a place for in-depth trust and education about something, while Instagram may be that visual storefront, which has a powerful tool for shopping, which you can post high quality pictures or videos, while TikTok is for viral, authentic discovery. And best of all, they are all completely free to use. Now, I know personally when I'm in a new city and I'm looking for a cafe or a restaurant, if I see one with a strong social media and a website, that usually will draw my attention. Social media is the future and the now of commerce. I personally do not advertise any products or digital products, but on YouTube, the most common thing I will see from creators is promoting their books, educational courses, or for example, in my niche for travel, I'll see creators promoting itineraries that they put together. Maybe I will explore this sometime in the future. Now, before we jump into number 4 of YouTube partnerships, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you've learned anything from this video so far, it would really help my channel out by dropping a like and a comment below. This engagement tells YouTube to suggest this video to other viewers like yourself who are interested in earning money on YouTube or starting a travel content channel. And if you like content like this, consider hitting subscribe because this also helps out my channel tremendously. Our next area of monetization we'll look at is becoming a YouTube partner. This is where you will earn a check directly from YouTube. Now, there are requirements on how to qualify for this, as well as 2 different tiers. The first tier of the YouTube Partner Program provides an entry point for monetization focused on fan support and shopping, requiring creators to have 500 subscribers and 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, while also having 3,000 valid public watch hours on long-form videos in the past year, or 3 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. Achieving this status unlocks key monetization tools such as channel memberships, which allows creators to offer monthly subscriptions for exclusive perks, as well as supers, which include super chat, super stickers, and super thanks, which are ways for viewers to directly tip content creators during live streams or during videos, as well as YouTube shopping. So this allows creators to link their official merchandise store or affiliate products directly embedded to their channels and into the videos. This tier offers direct sales opportunities before full ad revenue is unlocked in tier 2. Now to talk about Tier 2, which is a different level of requirements to get to this partnership. This is known as AdSense. Tier 2 of the YouTube Partner Program is where creators finally unlock AdSense and full ad revenue. To reach this tier, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last year, or the Shorts alternative requirement, which is 10 million Shorts views in the past 90 days. Hitting these requirements means your channel is consistently engaging viewers, and YouTube rewards that by enabling standard ads on your videos. Also, once you enter Tier 2, you still keep all the tools that you earned from Tier 1. Now, I have not qualified as a YouTube partner after 1 month, but I've actually hit the 4,000 watch hour requirement for the channel, as well as I'm currently approaching 6,000 watch hours. Now let's take a closer look at my channel's performance. YouTube has a really interesting analytics feature where I can see in-depth charts about my channel's performance thus far. Now there are 2 types of videos that you can post on YouTube, which would be long form and shorts. My primary focus is long form videos like the one you're watching right now, while I like to use shorts videos as well, more of like a foot in the door to get in front of new viewers. Now here is my best performing video, my first video that I had ever posted on October 12th, 2025, where I compared the cost of a $920 roomette versus $99 coach seat on a 19-hour Amtrak train ride from New York City to Chicago. When we go to impressions, I'm approaching 500,000 people that have seen this thumbnail, whether it's on their homepage, whether it's on their suggested videos. This is known as the impressions. Next, you'll see here the click-through rate, which is a very important metric, which is calculated from the number of times that people will click on your video after the impression. Keep in mind that YouTube is a click platform. If you can create something that you are passionate about with a good thumbnail and title, that also is going to spark interest for viewers, then you will likely be successful. Now, what I think is really cool to see is within analytics here, you can actually see how people found your video. You can also see what kind of device they watched it on, and even what video people came from before watching yours. So I am potentially on the side suggested video bar for these videos that are listed right here. You must learn from your analytics. What does the audience like? See what is working, and make sure that you're able to evolve. Now here is my second best performing video when I took a day trip from New York City all the way to Ireland for $500. I've genuinely enjoyed planning, filming, and editing these videos, and I'm so happy that they are doing this well after only 1 month on YouTube. Your niche should be something that you are passionate about. One important fact, not all YouTube ad revenue is the same for everybody, and it can even be different between each video that you create. The way that it works is advertisers will bid against each other to have their ad played on the video, which will come out to something called cost per milli, or CPM, or how much an advertiser is willing to pay per 1,000 views of exposure. While as a creator, we will then earn money based on revenue per milli, or RPM. Keep in mind that this ad revenue is normally split. 45% goes to YouTube and 55% to the creator. Examples of RPM can vary by niche, and some niches will pay more than others, such as some of the high earning niches being finance, digital marketing, real estate, or luxury reviews. Advertisers will pay more to be in front of an affluent crowd, while gaming, vlogging, or lifestyle may be the lower earning niches. Now, ranges for all RPMs may be somewhere between $1 to $40, but again, keep in mind that these are just speculations, and these numbers can really vary based on a lot of different factors. Now, while it takes a lot of effort up front to make a YouTube video, this is a great form of passive income that can really snowball and compound. Think of it this way. Going viral on one video is like hitting the lottery. But posting videos consistently with an evidence-based strategy is like investing, where your channel is going to grow and it's going to compound organically. When it comes to earning YouTube AdSense for my channel, all that actually remains is hitting the 1,000 subscriber benchmark. As I mentioned earlier, if you enjoy a creator's content, it really shows how much it can help a channel when you subscribe. Now, before we get to how much I've actually earned after 1 month on YouTube, let's talk about the 5th monetization strategy, brand deals. Brand deals are another way creators can make money once their channel starts growing. This is when a company pays you to feature or talk about their products in your video. The payout is usually much higher than ad revenue or affiliates because the brand is paying you directly for your influence. Most deals come in a few forms. You might get a flat payment for a sponsored segment, free products in exchange for a mention, or a mix of both. Brands usually look for channels with an engaged audience, not just big numbers, so even smaller creators can land deals if their niche matches a company's target customers. Once you're at the point where your content has consistent views and a clear niche, brands will either reach out to you or you can pitch to them. It's straightforward and can become one of the highest earning parts of your channel. Now here is specifically how much I've made as a travel content creator after about 1 month. So far, I've posted 4 long-form videos, 6 shorts videos, I have affiliate links, and I have Buy Me a Coffee set up. And as you know, I am not currently part of the YouTube Partner Program as I have not reached yet the 1,000 subscriber requirement, so I am not earning from AdSense. So let's go over to Amazon Associates. Now, when I go into Amazon Associates program here, I can go in over the last 30 days. Here you have my grand total of 30 cents. Now, what this means is that someone saw my video, was interested in the product that I talked about, and clicked the affiliate link from the description in my video, and then went and bought something on Amazon. Thus, I earned a small commission of that 30 cents. I don't want that 30 cents to discourage you from starting a YouTube channel. Keep in mind that every new business starts out in a growth phase, which means that they are growing before they become profitable. What's most important is that you're going to be gaining knowledge and experience each day. All that you need to do is get better by 1% each day. One day learn about affiliate marketing, one day learn about what videos do well in your niche, one day learn about a new skill in video editing. To give you a comparison, here's the quality of the videos that I was making only a few weeks ago. But I've put in the time to understand how to fix settings in my editing software, understand videography better, as well as improve my equipment and become more efficient in making videos. My very first week, it took me 4 days to make my first thumbnail because I was learning how to use Adobe Illustrator and I didn't really know what I was doing. Now I can make a thumbnail in about an hour. Now I want to leave you with the 2 most important steps for starting YouTube. First, find a niche you are genuinely passionate about. Second, understand that people go to YouTube to either learn something or to be entertained. Find a way that you can deliver your passion to either educate, entertain, or both. And after that, the rest of it will figure itself out. Thank you again for watching. It would really help my channel grow if you considered dropping a like, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you again in the next video.